In this video, I want to show you how to withdraw your fund either from a dollar account or from pound account. I am Oyeyemi Olalekan. Okay, you can see Tajuddin in my name. Yes, that is my Muslim name. Even though I'm not a Muslim, yes, I've met Christ. Okay, Christ has met me. Any of the two. All right. So now I want to show you how you are going to withdraw to your local bank account. The first thing is that you have to add your bank account to this Grey account, either your GT Bank, your First Bank, your Access Bank, or Diamond Bank, any bank you are using. Okay, so you click on this where you see British Pound here. You click on it. You can see other banks. Okay, so that is the amount I have in my Euro account, my British Bank, so in my Nigeria account. Now that is just it. Let's assume you have added your bank accounts to it. Okay, now I want to withdraw this fund. Okay, I have about going to £2 here before, so I'm not going to withdraw everything because I have little cash here before. So now to withdraw this money, what you need to do is that you click on convert. You will first convert to your currency, your country currency. You can't withdraw this directly. This is in pounds, and Nigeria, we are not spending pounds, and I cannot withdraw pounds to my naira. So I have to convert the money to naira first. So don't forget, you have to pick the bank where you want to do transaction. So that is my British Bank. So then you click on convert. This is convert. Click on convert. Okay. Now, when you click on convert, now amount to convert, you have to write it. You write it here. Then amount to received, you write it here. But you have to change this USD to naira. Then they are going to collect their own conversion fee. So now I'm going to change this to Nigeria. Can you see naira? Now how much did I want to convert? That is 171. Remember I said I have some amount there before. Okay, so amount to convert now, they will deduct their conversion fee, so it remains this. All right, as of today when recording this video, pounds to naira, £1 is 1,552.33 kobo. Okay, before it was 2,000 plus. Yes, but I'm very sure it's still going to come down. All right, so now this is the amount that I'm going to withdraw right now. This is the amount that it brought for me after the conversion. You can see this is 262,793. Imagine, from AI images and videos, without leaving my room, just with my smartphone. And this one is meant for students. It's not even for me. I help them to withdraw this cash. Okay, so now I'm going to click on continue. Don't forget what I'm doing here. I'm doing conversion. I want to convert the pounds to naira. After converting it to naira, then I will now send it to my bank account. So I've converted that. Now. I will click on continue. That is to convert it. Okay. Now it will say make transfer. Amount to swap 171. Exchange rates. As you can see everything here. Transaction fee is the transaction fee. Okay, so amount to receive, you see it, 262 naira 793. So then I will click on make transfer. So what I'm doing now is I'm swapping, I'm converting money. Instead of going to Abuki or going to bank to convert, you convert your money within the comfort of your house with your phone. You don't need to go to bank before you convert money. You do it on your phone. Then yes, the money has been swapped successfully. Okay, all right, it has been swapped successfully. Then I will click on back to home. So you can see now the pounds has changed. because it has been converted, is now 1.7. Now I want to see the money in my Naira account. So I will come back here to where this British. I will click here, then click on Naira. As you can see now, I have it in my Naira account. I have it in my Naira account. That is 263 thereabout. You know, I have money in my Naira account before. So let me see the conversion rate very well again. Yes. Now you can see amount received 262,793. So I'm going to withdraw 262,000 Naira. Now that the money has been converted, okay, the next thing I will do is I will click on send. I want to send it to my bank account right now since the money has been converted to Naira. So you click on send. Okay, then you click on send to beneficiary. Click on send to beneficiary. It will load. Then how much do you want to send? It is not everything I want to send. Amount to send. This is the total amount plus the money I have in my accounts before. Amount to send. So I'm going to put it here. Amount user will receive. You will see it there. Then their fee. They are going to charge little fee. You will see everything. Let me just put it here right now. I want to withdraw 262, 262, 7, 26, 270000. That is 262,700. Their transaction fee is just 35 Naira. Can you see? Amount I'm going to receive is 262,665. All right. Recipient account, that is the account that is going to receive it. As you can see it here, Tajuddin Olalekan Oyeyemi is coming to my own account. I will now transfer it to the student. So that is just it. Then description is optional, so I'm not going to write anything here. I'm showing you live how you are going to convert money. You can use this opportunity to receive money from any country. Is it USA? Is it Canada? Is it any European country, any Africa country? Name it, you can receive funds. So now I click on continue. It will land to my account right now. You will hear the sound. So I'm going to click on continue. Imagine you end this with just AI images. If you have not enrolled in my AI images class, okay, how to generate AI images and earn in dollar and pounds within the comfort of your room, okay, either with your smartphone or with your laptop. So let me send this now. Continue. This is my student sending. I just help him to withdraw. Okay, so this is the amount I want to send. Then I click on make transfer. Okay, before I can transfer, I have two-factor authentication on my phone. I use it to protect my phone. So I'm going to put the digits here. It's an app, okay, used to protect, just like a pin. I'm going to put it there, and I will click on authorize payment. The money will land to my account now. All right, so after putting the code, the money has been sent to my account. As you can see, it withdraw successfully. Yeah, 262,700. Okay, can you hear the sound? It doesn't waste time. Yes, it doesn't waste time. It will land. I've sent it to my bank account. So that is just the process. If you are using dollar account, that is how to withdraw. If you are earning in pounds, that is how to withdraw. Okay, so it is as simple as ABC. Even if you have been sacked or you are struggling with your job due to the current situation of the country right now, just join this class. Begin to upload. Just make sure you are not lazy. Okay, and if you are a government worker, you know the little amount that is coming in for you, it is not enough. This period, I must confess to you, it is not enough. transportation, feeding, everything. When did you want to build your own house? When did you want to have your own car? So that is why you need online side also. Just join, and gradually. I didn't say you are going to get this within a week. No, it is not quick rich scheme, but gradually you begin to make it. Okay, so I am Oyeyemi Olalekan, Master Ola, popularly called the Bright. Enjoy yourself. Don't forget to join this class. Click on the link in the comment section or around this video to join the master class. It is not expensive at all. And as a matter of fact, you are going to get 50% discount if you enroll now. Although, by the time you'll be checking, if you don't enroll now, the 50% discount may no longer be there again. Just sign up right now. Bye for now. Enjoy yourself.